Hey everybody, Marcia here. I am back today with another Scrapbook YouTube video for my creative scrapbook. Today I am working with the February main kit, and this kit featured the Simple Stories Life Captured collection. I'm using a cut file from PearTree Cut files that I think is really appropriate for documenting your New Year resolutions. It's new day, new month, new year, new me. For me, this is quite fitting this year as I have been struggling with some health issues of late. I was diagnosed as being pre-diabetic just before Christmas, and I'm now sworn off sugar and trying to get my life back on track, I guess, because besides being pre-diabetic, my thyroid is also shot. So I was extremely tired all the time and couldn't figure out what was going on for the longest time. So it was nice to finally get some answers, but too, I have to reclaim my health now, and I have had to make some hard lifestyle choices. One of those lifestyle changes was to start putting myself first. So there are many times when work kind of takes over my life and I spend way too many hours in front of my computer. I need to make sure I get my exercise in. I need to do my yoga in the morning. I need to walk the dogs in the afternoon and be out in the sun for part of the day, help get my metabolism going. I guess be a little selfish and take care of me. This photo that I have on my layout here is me with my two dogs, Princeton and Allie. We are at the dog park when this photo was taken, where we can do a lot of walking and they can run free. Now that I have my photo and my title on my layout, I can go ahead and start doing some embellishing. I wanted to go through the die cut ephemera and pick out those things that are me. I'm picking out the bird here because I love to be outside, and the bird kind of symbolizes being outside. And I have plants on here, which I love to have in my house, even though I occasionally kill them. I do much better with my plants when they're outside. I have a cup of coffee here because I can't get through a day without a cup of coffee in the morning. Then there's also a camera I found that I'm going to put in the lower left. I love taking pictures with my camera. This really symbolizes me. So this collection has a lot of office and school ephemera, and I'm trying to avoid using those pieces on this layout. But you can see I'm putting a clip to make a clipboard of my Follow My Heart here. There are some puffy stickers and titles that also came with the kit, and I am taking the hearts from that sticker sheet off and putting them on my mixed media background. So this mixed media page comes from a Vicki Boutin mixed media paper pad, which makes for a really simple, quick and easy background if you're not comfortable doing mixed media. I'm creating a visual triangle here with all my ephemera pieces to draw your eye across my layout and across my photo. The cardstock sticker sheet from the Simple Stories Life Captured collection was also included in the kit, and I did go through it and pull out a phrase sticker, the bright side, to put on my layout in the lower left there. One of the last things I'm going to add to my layout is a bow. I love using natural hemp to tie a bow and add it to my project. I am using my Bow Easy to tie this double bow. Bow Easy tool is simple to use and makes tying a bow effortless. I'll put a link below in my description for where you can get this tool. So my creative scrapbook puts together 4 kits every month. Again, I am using the main kit featuring the Simple Stories Life Captured collection. They also have a a limited edition kit, a creative kit, and an album kit. There's really something for every kind of scrapbooker. Go check them out. Thank you so much for stopping by. Bye-bye now.